The College Hub, how to make an appointment with us. Visit collegehubatx.com and click Make an Appointment. Yeah, that big red button there. Select a Zoom, telephone, or in-person appointment and then select a coach. Sometimes you might have no preference between coaches. Select an available date from the calendar. And so it'll show you the earliest available appointment there on the list. So you can keep clicking through to see which appointments are available later in the day. And then when you're ready, you can book your appointment. Enter your name, your contact info, and the reason why you're making the appointment. You can say something like, need to fill out my financial aid, or have a question about ACC or UT or Texas State. Elect to receive reminders by text if you would like them. You can put in your phone number there. And congrats, your appointment is scheduled. We're looking forward to meeting with you.